In this video, you will learn how to allow users to edit an attribute. This is helpful so users can keep specific attributes up to date. To enable users to edit attributes, Okta must be the authoritative source for those attributes. This entails achieving attribute-level source, which involves assuming exclusive management control over the specific attributes. Let's get started. First, we need to set the attribute as mastered by Okta. Navigate to Directory and then Profile Editor. Now select the user default. Find the attribute that you would like the end user to be able to update and click on information. In this example, we will use mobile phone. In the source priority list, select Inherit from Okta and the user permission is set to read-write. Go ahead and save the changes. Now when we go to My Settings and Edit Profile, I can update the mobile phone field. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to us on YouTube.